Hi everyone, my name is Anu, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the AI engineer roadmap. So, a few days back, I made a video on what AI is doing. It's changing the coding job market, the jobs that you would generally get earlier by just doing data structures and algorithms. That is not true anymore. You have to learn about these AI concepts. So, in this video, I'm going to provide you a proper roadmap that you can follow if you are a beginner as well. So we'll start with the really basic level about what you have to learn and what path you can follow to get a job as an AI engineer. And AI engineer jobs are really in the market right now. So even as a fresher, you can easily get 20 to 30 LPA job, and that is really like the lower bar that I'm talking about. You can definitely get more as well if you follow the AI engineer roadmap. So this is definitely the most happening field right now. There are lots of jobs in this market and you should definitely prepare for it. So now, without further ado, let's get started with the video. A lot of people think becoming an AI engineer means you need to learn complex math, build models from scratch, or do deep research like machine learning engineer. But that's not true anymore. AI engineers today focus on using powerful models and not building them. But you need to know how to work with APIs, design good prompts, use tools like LangChain, connect with OpenAI or Hugging Face, and build apps that solve real problems. And that's exactly the roadmap that I'm going to be talking about. And the roadmap that you can follow is number one, you're going to start by doing the intro to AI engineering path, which is provided to you by Scrimba. Now, Scrimba is a learning platform which integrates videos within your code editor. So, as you know, and as even I have seen previously, that whenever you're learning something from YouTube, you have to watch the video and then you have to go back to your editor and then you can start coding it. This is a platform where you can code while you are learning. So that is a great way. It avoids context switching as well, and they have a great path that you can follow. And this is a course that I'm following as well, as I have previously mentioned in the video too, that even as a software engineer, I have to keep upskilling and following courses. So this is the one that I'm currently following. So you can definitely go ahead and get started with this. So you need to learn about intro to AI engineering, where you will learn about AI engineering basics, and you will learn about how you can set up your APIs, how you can set up your authentication. So the one thing I really love about this course and the way it is structured is that everything is going to be learning by building. So learning by doing, you will make projects along the way, which you can also add into your resume, and that adds way more authenticity than if you're just simply learning. So this can building projects is a great way to learn, and that is what this platform absolutely provides. So you follow the intro to AI engineering path, where you will learn about what prompt engineering is on a high level. You will learn about what tokens are. You will also learn about what is fine tuning, how do you create image with DALI 3 API. You will learn about AI safety. You will learn about safety best practices. So all of this is within the intro to AI engineering path. And then you will learn about deployment. So you will learn about how you can actually deploy your AI project. So you will learn about how you can use custom domains with Cloudflare. Now, all of this is very production ready, right? So even as a software engineer, you have to create your website, you have to create a project, and then you have to deploy it. You need to have proper load balancing and all of these things set up, which is being taught to you in this course. And then there is open source models as well that you will explore. So everything, open source models are completely free. You don't have to pay for it. So that is what we will be exploring. Then you'll learn about embeddings and vector databases. Now, everything that I'm mentioning is something that you have to do if you want to become an AI engineer. Now, you can follow this course or you can find out different resources on the YouTube, but I personally like the way it is structured because that gives you a motivation to continue and you won't just be going around finding resources. So, embeddings and vector databases, and then you will learn about agents. Now, what are AI agents? Most of us are just using ChatGPT, Gemini. We are actually not going a bit deeper and using AI agents. So AI agents will actually perform end-to-end tasks for you. So let's say you tell them that I want to book this hotel tickets. They will go to the website, fetch that website's API, compare prices, and book that website for you, complete the transaction, and put that email confirmation into your inbox as well. So that is one example of what AI agents are. They perform an end-to-end task and they are not just a simple chatbot. So then you will learn about agents and how you can build agents, and you also have a good solo project, which is the AI travel agent, which is going to be similar to what I just told you, that you can plan a travel end to end, book flights, you can go ahead and book hotels. So all of that you can do by building an AI agent. Now, this is a good real life project that you can add onto your resume as well. And then you learn about multimodality. Now, what is multimodality? Multimodality is all about generating different forms, different modes of data. So generally you will just have text data generated, but now as you can see with VO3 and other Gemini and ChatGPT models, they can generate images, they can generate videos, and all of this is really important and you should learn about if you want to become an AI engineer. So the next thing that you learn about is you'll learn about OpenAI's Assistant API. So API AI assistants can actually create and do everything for you. And the other thing that I would really recommend is that you go ahead and get the Scrimba Pro subscription, because that really gives you a certificate as well as shown on the screen. So you'll get a certificate by your name and you can add it onto your resume, which the recruiters can see. And Scrimba is a very well-known platform. So if you go for the Pro subscription and get the certificate, it will definitely add value onto your resume. You can build projects along with that, but if you want to go ahead and add a stamp, which is very valuable, you can go ahead and take up the Pro subscription. And a couple of things that I really liked is that you have unlimited content here on this platform. So not just this is an example of AI engineer path, but if you really want to learn from scratch, you can just go ahead and check out the different courses. You can learn about SQL, you can learn about command line basics, you can learn about the full stack developer path as well. So I'll leave both of these links below in the description and in the pinned comment. The AI engineer path is what I just described to you, and the full stack developer path is also something that you can explore, and I'll leave the link below. So go ahead and check these out. This is a great platform that I currently found for learning. So I know that there are a lot of confusion around which course you should follow, which roadmap you should follow. So this is one thing that I would personally recommend because I'm following this as well. Along with that, if you go to the project section, you can see that there are a lot of projects that you can build. Something like meme generator, movie watch list, and password generator. And along with that, in my previous video, I recommended some projects that you can build to get an internship at big tech companies or get a job at big tech companies. You can build all of those projects as well. But if you really don't have an idea, you can follow the projects which are mentioned here. So that's it for this video. I really just wanted to give you a roadmap of what the AI engineer path looks like, what I'm currently learning as a software engineer as well, and what you can learn as well. In a short, if I tell you, it's all about knowing how to use these APIs which are available. Using that, you can build AI agents, you can build AI assistants, which is very, very different from what the chatbots you're currently using is. So Gemini, ChatGPT is just the surface level things. You need to know about how you can build AI agents using different workflows like LangChain, Anychain as well. If you want a complete video on AI agents, comment AI agents in the video, and I will make sure that I create a very beginner friendly roadmap to creating your first AI agent, which you can build and you can also sell. So if you want that, do go ahead and comment AI agents and I will make a video on that. And thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and comment for more such videos. And I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.